All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode. This is Gadget D, and right here, what we have today is a few products from Five Below. So I'm not sure if a lot of people is familiar with Five Below, but it's just basically a budget store, that offers a variety of products. So today we're just going to focus on the tech products that they have available. Maybe not all stores carry the same products. For the most part in my area, pretty much the same products are available in all the stores. So as you can see right here, we have a wall charger that has a LED lighting. It has two USB ports, 2.4 amps output, and then we also have in the middle a Type-C cable charger, and it's just something simple, 3.5 feet, because I need to have a little bit of a shorter cable available for my lifestyle when I'm on the go. And then on the far right, we have a gaming LED mouse. So basically, just something that I want to have on the go. It is wired, but we're going to get into all the features that each product has. Pretty much what I want to do is just let you know, see if you buy one of these products, or if all here in this video, can you trust these products and how well do they work? Do you want to trust these products with your hard-earned money? All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So first, we're going to pull these two to the side. And first, we're going to get into the wall charger. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and unbox this item here. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be the product once you unpackage it. And as you can see, I did choose the black. They do have a white available if you have this, if this product is available in the store. They have a white version as well, but I have the black. So black is just pretty much like in my other videos that I mentioned. It's my go-to color because it just goes better with my setup. On the side, you have the USB for one of the ports to charge one of the USB items, A, and then you have the second one on this side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check and see if each LED ring, I guess you would say, will light up to make sure each one is working. And we also wanna double check the USB ports on each side to make sure they're working as well. So when you're charging two devices, everything is functional as it's supposed to be. Okay, so for this product, it does work. We did check all the lighting areas that's supposed to be well lit, and they do function, all three of them. On each side of the USB ports, they are functional as well. The only thing downside I will say about this, it doesn't have a foldable plug. I wish the plug would fold inside the adapter. So this is a go. I like this. I would definitely pick this up, if you want that RGB look, the LED look, whatever you pretty much want to have your setup to be. Okay, so next we have here is a USB Type-C cable. Again, this is the 3.5 foot cable length. And pretty much what I just picked up here, because I wanted something a little bit different for my cable selection. I already have black, I have red and black, I have red, pretty much my, go-to colors. So I just wanted something different, like I said. And this is an all metallic version, which I think was pretty neat. I do believe they have a maybe 6 foot and a 10 foot one. So if you want something a little bit longer, you're able to pick that up for this version of charging cable. But as you can see, it's just USB Type-C right here, and then to USB-A. Okay, so here I have my 2-in-1 Samsung fast wireless charger, and it's also a portable charging bank. So what I'm pretty much gonna do is just grab my phone and plug it up, and see here, and my phone is charging up. So this cable accessory it's definitely good to go. I like it a lot and it works. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have here the color changing LED gaming mouse. And right here it does state that it is wired. So you do have a wired connection to plug into your computer. It has the multicolor cycle. And then it has an ergonomic design. You know, pretty much that's just the gist of it. Let's see what we have on the back. It states that it has a plug and play, easy, quick to use, no need to install extra drivers or software. Also, one thing to mention, it is compatible with Windows 10, 8.7, Vista, XP, Mac, OS, Linux, or the latest operating systems. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out and see how it works. Well, I figured the best way to give y'all a quick look at this, I just use my portable charger right here. And right here, I'm not sure if you can tell, let me line this more at the camera. Right here, as you can see, the mouse is changing colors. To give you a feel of how the mouse is, the build of it is plastic. It's not, you know, high quality, but you have the nice clicking sounds. So let's see this one. So I'm not sure the left one. Okay, here we go. No. The left one is a little quieter. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that, but the right is definitely more pronounced and stronger. The left isn't. Decided to get this one. As far as what the one I picked up, this one does have a softer left feel. Maybe that's just how it's how it's created. But we're gonna move on to the size right here. As you can, oh, by the way, also I want to mention this is all that came in there, so no extra pieces or anything to this. But underneath you have here some LED lighting moving around for the mouse as well. It's $5.55. So you don't expect too much high quality on this, but it's nice. It's okay. Hey, if you want to have that RGB set up at work, but you don't want to bring an expensive gadget there, you may want to check this one out and just leave it at work. So you can get a couple of these, have one as a backup. So I would definitely say this is cool. If you have kids that want to still give them something, an idea of what they like, hey, this is a good pickup for them. They like that RGB look, but you don't want to break the bank on it. This is a good pickup as well. And again, this is something they can beat up. You're not out of a lot of money. But yeah, I mean, like I said, the left one, the downside to me, that left is just not as pronounced as the right. A lot of the things you will use the mouse for and clicking on it is going to be on the left. So right there is the demonstration of it. But other than that, that's all I have for now. If there are any more budget products you want me to check out in, you know, your stores, but you're just a little nervous about it, be sure to leave those down in the comment section. I will be sure to give it a look and see if we can check them out together. Just to give you an idea, we recap. So we had the gaming mouse, we had the USB Type-C charging cable, and then we also have our LED wall adapter. So if you like these items, go ahead and check them out. That's all I have for you today. Be sure to check out my other videos I have on my channel. If you have not already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. I do accept both. Good criticism is always welcome here. Be sure to leave a comment of any suggestions that you have. And also be sure to share this video. See you guys in the next video. Peace.